Did you know there's a feline even bigger than the mighty lions and the imposing tigers? Today, we'll explore the fascinating story of the liger, the largest and strongest feline in the world. But this is not just any big cat. The liger is the result of an incredible genetic combination, a fusion between the king of the jungle, the lion, and the biggest feline, the tiger. Stay tuned until the end to find out how this gigantic creature exists, its behavior, and why it's not dominating the wild. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our fascinating animal kingdom facts. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is a liger? It's a hybrid, the result of breeding a male lion and a female tiger. But this is no ordinary mix. While tigers are known as the largest cats in the world, ligers are even bigger. To give you an idea, a male liger can weigh up to 900 pounds, or around 400 kilograms, which is double the weight of an adult lion and much heavier than a tiger, which averages 660 pounds, or 300 kilograms. These animals are true giants, and it's not just fat. Their size is proportional to their body length, which can reach up to 12 feet, 3.6 meters. Now, you might be wondering, how can a liger grow so much larger than its parents? This happens because of a fascinating genetic phenomenon. The male lion carries genes that promote the growth of its offspring, as lions are polygamous, meaning they have multiple mates throughout their lives. This creates competition among the cubs, where the bigger ones are more likely to survive and reproduce. In lions, the lioness has genes that limit the growth of the cubs, controlling their final size. But here's the secret. The tigress, the liger's mother, doesn't have these limiting genes, so the liger continues to grow without any restrictions, becoming this true giant of felines. But why aren't these incredible felines dominating the wild savannas and jungles of the world? The answer lies in biology. Male ligers are always sterile, meaning they cannot reproduce. This is common among hybrids, as seen with mules, which are crosses between horses and donkeys. This prevents two different species from merging into one. So, even though a liger is stronger than a lion and more social than a tiger, it couldn't create a sustainable population in the wild. This explains why you'll never see a liger roaming free in nature. And what about the behavior of a liger? Interestingly, it combines traits from both parents. Like lions, ligers tend to be more social, interacting more with other animals and humans. They may inherit this social tendency from lions, who live in large groups called prides. On the other hand, the liger can also show tiger-like characteristics, such as a strong affinity for water. While most lions avoid swimming, ligers love to cool off in lakes and rivers, a trait they inherit from their tiger mothers. They are more active during the day, like lions, but can also display more solitary behavior, like tigers. All of this makes the liger an extremely interesting animal, with a unique blend of behaviors inherited from both species. However, there's an interesting exception. Female ligers can, in some cases, be fertile and even have offspring if they mate with lions or tigers. But unfortunately, their offspring also tend to be sterile due to the differences in chromosome structures between lions and tigers. This makes it almost impossible for hybrid offspring to produce fertile descendants, ensuring that the liger remains a rare phenomenon. And where can we find these incredible felines? The answer is only in captivity. Ligers don't exist in the wild because lions and tigers live in completely different habitats. While lions are native to Africa, tigers inhabit Asia. This means that for a liger to be born, scientists or caretakers must intentionally cross a male lion with a female tiger in captivity, such as in zoos and national parks. Currently, there are around 100 living ligers in the world, making them extremely rare. Although it's fascinating to see these giant animals, the truth is that breeding a liger is a complex process filled with challenges. Besides the difficulty of promoting the mating between lions and tigers, ligers suffer from various health problems. Due to their colossal size, many ligers develop heart defects, bone diseases, and even cancer. And even though larger animals generally live longer, this is not the case for ligers, who often have shorter lives than their parents, the lions and tigers. Now that we've discussed the liger's impressive size and behavior, you may be wondering, what does such a gigantic feline eat to maintain its massive body? The liger's diet is as impressive as its appearance. Like its parents, lions and tigers, the liger is a carnivore through and through. This means its diet is primarily composed of meat, and due to its monumental size, it consumes massive quantities of food daily. In captivity, a liger can eat between 20 to 25 pounds, 9 to 11 kilograms, of meat per day, or even more, depending on its specific needs. To put that in perspective, that's twice what a tiger would eat. They are usually fed a diet that includes beef, chicken, and sometimes meat from other large animals like pigs. Some ligers in captivity also receive vitamin and mineral supplements to ensure they get all the essential nutrients, since a large predator's diet in the wild would be much more varied. Despite their enormous appetite, ligers don't need to hunt, as they are kept in zoos and parks. However, if they were in the wild, they would need to hunt large prey like buffalo and deer to meet their energy needs. When we talk about the strength of the liger, we're dealing with a creature that combines the brute power of its parents, the lion and the tiger, resulting in an incredibly strong animal. The liger has a dense and extremely robust musculature, making it one of the most powerful felines in the world. Its physical strength is so immense that it can easily bring down large prey, and its massive size gives it a clear advantage in any situation, whether in combat or moving heavy objects. A liger can drag prey or objects weighing hundreds of pounds, something that even a tiger or lion would struggle to do with such ease. Another point that cannot be ignored is the impressive strength of its bite. The liger inherits the powerful bite of the lion, whose pressure can reach up to 650 psi, pounds per square inch, and the tiger's, which is known to be even more powerful, reaching up to 1,000 psi. It's estimated that the liger's bite falls somewhere between these two figures, likely closer to 1,000 psi due to its enormous size and musculature. To put that in perspective, this bite strength is powerful enough to crush bones and tear through flesh with ease, making the liger a formidable predator. Even though they live in captivity and don't need to use this strength for hunting, the power of their bite is a trait that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. So, the liger is undoubtedly one of the most impressive felines on the planet, combining the best and, unfortunately, sometimes the worst of its parents. While they are majestic and powerful, their size comes at a high cost, especially in terms of health. Additionally, as hybrids, they would never exist in the wild, being exclusive to captivity around the world. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about amazing animal facts, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share your ideas for future videos in the comments. Until next time.